Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Ash,
We're Raw Culture.
and we make kombucha.
Kombucha is a sparkling tea-based soft drink. It's naturally fermented and low in sugar.
Our kombucha is hop infused. Our unique process also ensures it's gluten-free and also vegan friendly.
So I wanted to treat the kombucha a bit like an IPA and use different varieties of hops to create those different flavour profiles across the range. For us, Business Gateway was the first port of call. They helped us set up our business plan, do our SWOT analysis, do our initial market research. Our advisor, Catherine, she's been always there for us. You can pick up the phone to her anytime. Usually my questions are very specific about the food and drink industry or certification, so she doesn't necessarily have the answers herself, but she does know the people that she needs to get us in contact with. So through Business Gateway we did a number of workshops and networking events. It set the seeds for some really good relationships moving forward.
I think with Raw Culture Kombucha, we want to become one of the largest UK kombucha producers. We want to stay true to our word in terms of the products that we develop.
Having other people that really support us and just on our side is just fantastic. I'd advise anyone to get in touch with Business Gateway. They'll set you on the right path.